How's everybody doing? This is Neff and Natalia with Nocturnal Labs. We have a little competition going on today, so stay tuned. About to show you. Well, let me grab me.
You want me to grab it?
Yeah. This is this is the little competition we have, right? But you guys will get to see what happens in the video. Peace.
Cut me out. Okay.
Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is the challenge we have, right? My daughter went and picked these little cube sets up, right? Which are pretty nice because they already come clean and everything, you know, nicely cut. So all you got to do is put them together. So she started talking crap about my welds. She was roasting me, but check this out. They don't look that bad.
You can't even say that with a straight face.
They don't look that bad. Look.
Oh my god.
So, since I did mine, yeah, this one looks really bad. Golly, that looks bad. So, since I already did mine, and she roasted me, so now I'm waiting for her to get hers done, and everybody's gonna see the process. You ready?
Even it's a fair trade.
Okay, fair trade. Okay. You roasted me, I get to roast you.
if you have something to roast.
I think I am. We'll see. Alright.
Also, I haven't done it with these nails, so I don't...
Oh, look, the first excuse, because she's got nails.
This is a good excuse? What do you mean?
Okay, so this is how we have it set up. She put the little magnets on the inside, and she's got plenty of room here to go ahead and weld. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. And so you guys know we are still using the Eastwood Tig 200 DC. So here we go. Let's see how this works. She's gonna do a quick practice run.
Thing up to your face.
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna go blind.
Really?
Oh my god. Okay. Am I on the pedal? Ready, y'all?
We're ready.
Okay. I already touched it to the thing.
Oh my god.
It's not much.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
There's something wrong with this.
Okay, so she thought it was super easy, you know, started roasting me. Here's mine. Let me show you guys once again. Oh, look at that beautifulness. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks nice.
No, it doesn't.
It's nice.
Literally not.
So you still gotta finish the cube.
Okay. Yeah, I'll finish the cube.
Then let's go. We'll bring you guys back when it's done. How's everybody doing? This is Neff and Natalia. We're back actually the second day trying to do this thing because we had so many complications on the first day. We messed with the machine for a little bit. We thought, you know, the settings were off or we're doing something wrong, since, you know, we're still not that professional. But we're gonna give it another try. And I'm gonna actually tell you guys what's the worst part of TIG welding, so stay tuned. Oh no. I see it. First accident already. There you go.
Thank you. Alright.
Alright, so you're gonna try to make sure it's dialed in, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
ready?
You ready? Oh, you almost got it. There you go.
No, this is really uncomfortable.
Well, put it like you like, however you want.
Gosh.
There we go, people. And this is the worst part of TIG welding. You're welding and you're expecting it to look so beautiful, and when you look at it, you lift that hood up and look at it, it looks like goat poop. What the hell? Okay, so here we go. She is ready to do that beautiful side on this cube. Let's get it.
Oh, I went backwards.
Oh, there you go.
Woo, this is awkward. Okay.
Did you already hit the tungsten on it? Oh, come on.
Yeah, it wasn't that much. I don't see anything.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Whew. Almost.
Started off fine, and then I got nervous.
Man, it started off really nice.
Yeah.
It looks way better than mine already.
Then I got nervous.
And, hold on, let me show.
Oh.
So, it started off really nice, and then she lost track. But hey, you can still fix it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
round 2.
Thank you. Don't come over here.
Hey.
Okay. Okay.
Let's
Towards
see.
the end, it was good.
Oh, man.
And this is getting extremely hot, so.
That looks way nicer than mine. Well, I'm sorry to say we can't continue because we ran out of argon.
No, we didn't.
We did. There's no more argon. Alright, let me show this real quick. That's one piece compared to this. Okay. There's my piece. Looks like goat poop. And there's hers.
It looks good here and here, and that's it.
Yep. That little piece right there. And that little piece in the beginning. But hey, it looks way better than mine. I lost the challenge.
See, I knew yesterday was not me, it was a machine. We didn't have the correct settings. So.
Oh, man. Alright, so that's all we got for you guys today. You know, I want to thank you guys for watching. You know, we took a couple of days off. We had like prom, and now we're getting ready for graduations and stuff. So once all that's done, we'll be bringing you guys a lot more videos.
Yes.
And I lost the challenge.
We both still need more practice, but I think I clearly beat him. So.
Yeah. Go ahead, rub it in. All right, you guys take it easy. Have a blessed day. Later.